Hey everyone, I'm here on a windy day, White, Wisconsin. We've got a job site going. Welcome back to Precast Chalk Talk 2019. It's September and this is one of our busiest months. Behind me is our job site. We're putting in our precast columns, beams, which you've seen us manufacture, and also our hollow core planks. So let's go take a look. So I'm standing in front of our load that just showed up, the 215 load, and we've got 4 pieces of hollow core on the load. The guys are going to take that off and set it up on the deck. What you see going on behind me is the truck driver who brought the product to the job site. He's putting slings on the product so that we can lift them up. So you see the metal chokers, we call those. Those are wrapped around the end of each plank, and then they loop on top so that we can hook up the crane chains that come down and then lift the piece. Is lifted off the trailer, the operators on the deck are going to catch the slab, catch the element, make sure they're guiding it in the right place. They get eye contact and hand signal contact with the crane operator. So you can see this piece had a notch. It had the notch around where a column is going to go straight up from the top of the pilaster. So after we set the piece, the operators have to slide the element, the hollow core slab, back down in. And what you see Mike doing right now is just setting down a piece of plastic, or we call core lath. So the reason that we put the core lath down is so that the hollow core concrete isn't resting right on top of the steel angle, which could cause it to chip. This way it's up off the steel angle just a little bit. So you can see the importance of the crane operator knowing where all the different components of the job, all the structural systems that he has to weave around and lift that piece up, plus know where the men are on the deck. Having a skilled crane operator is critical to the safety of our men and also the success of the project. So from this vantage point, you can start to see a little bit of the camber that's naturally built into the hollow core element, where it's a little bit curved. See that? The reason the ends are solid and you don't see the hollow core is because there's plates that have been cast into the bottom of the hollow core slab. So that we can make a welded connection to a cast-in angle iron that's on the ledge. They set the piece down. They give the signal to the crane, let the tension off, release the choker, give the signal to the crane, away she goes for the next piece. They come back, they grab the come along or the pull over, reach out, give it a little bit of a push and a pull, and she's tight.